Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Hardening Firefox is a solid move for your daily browsing. I still use it and I still stand by it, but there's a limit to how much you can tweak a browser before you start standing out because of your privacy settings. If you want to actually disappear, you don't do it by building a bigger wall, you do it by blending into the crowd. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up and leave your comment down below. Let's get into it. This is Mullvad Browser. It's basically the Tor browser but built for the regular web. The whole strategy here is simple. Instead of making your browser unique with custom settings, it makes your computer look identical to every other person using it. So let's get it set up and I'll show you the 3 golden rules you have to follow or the whole thing is pointless. Alright, so first you want to download it and you can grab the link in the description below. It's free, open source, and you don't even need to pay for the VPN to use the browser. So if you select Get Mullvad Browser, I'm using Linux, so that will be the download I'll be choosing, but you've got Windows, Mac, and also there's a Firefox extension. Once you fire it up, you'll see private mode is on by default. So there's no cookies, no trackers, and no extra junk. It's stripped down to the bone right out of the box. Okay, so rule number 1, do not resize the window. When you open the browser, it might look like there's a bunch of empty space or weird borders around the web page. That's called letterboxing. It's a trick used to force your resolution into a generic standardized bucket so you don't stand out. Now, if you maximize this window to fit your specific monitor, you're basically handing the website a map of your exact screen resolution. So just leave it exactly how it opens. Rule number 2, don't add any extensions. I know we all want our password managers or dark mode themes, but Mullvad already has uBlock Origin and no script built in. Adding even one extra plugin, even a privacy one, makes your browser signature unique, so don't touch it. And rule number 3, use a VPN alongside it. It's a common mistake to think this browser works like Tor and bounces your signal around. It doesn't. While the browser is busy hiding who you are by standardizing your fingerprint, your ISP can still see where you're connecting from. So keep your VPN active at the system level so your IP address is just as generic as your browser signature. Use them together or the stealth is only half complete. At the end of the day, privacy isn't about one single setting, it's about consistency. Using a uniform browser is one of the easiest ways to stop standing out and start blending in. So just give it a try, follow those 3 rules and see how it fits into your workflow. And I will see you in the next one. Remember, please hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up and comment below. Bye for now.